Looking for a tablet that can handle work, play, and everything in between? Welcome to Gadgeto Lab, your go-to spot for the latest and smartest tech gear. Meet the Apple iPad A16, a powerful and versatile tablet designed for work, creativity, entertainment, and everyday use. With its fast A16 chip, stunning Liquid Retina display, and all-day battery life, it delivers a smooth experience wherever you go. What's in the box? Inside the box, you'll find the Apple iPad A16, power cable, power adapter, documentation papers. Product features. Powered by the advanced A16 chip, the iPad delivers fast and responsive performance for everyday tasks and demanding apps. It handles multitasking, gaming, streaming, and creative work with ease while maintaining smooth and efficient operation. The 11-inch Liquid Retina display produces sharp details, vibrant colors, and excellent brightness for an immersive viewing experience. Whether you're watching videos, browsing the web, reading, or creating content, everything looks crisp and clear. The long-lasting battery provides power throughout the day, letting you work, study, stream, or play without frequent charging. Its efficient performance keeps you productive and entertained wherever you go. Support for the Apple Pencil and Magic Keyboard Folio expands the iPad's capabilities beyond entertainment. Take notes, draw, edit documents, or type comfortably, making it a versatile device for creativity and productivity. Technical specifications. How to use. Press and hold the power button to turn on the iPad, then follow the on-screen instructions to choose your language and region, connect to a Wi-Fi network, and sign in with your Apple account. Complete the setup by configuring Face ID or Touch ID, creating a passcode, restoring your data if needed, and adjusting your preferred settings before reaching the home screen. Once setup is complete, you're ready to explore everything the iPad has to offer. Download apps from the App Store, browse the web with Safari, stream your favorite movies and shows, take notes, draw with a compatible Apple Pencil, or pair the Magic Keyboard Folio for a laptop-like experience. You can also stay connected with FaceTime, manage files, and enjoy smooth multitasking for work, study, and entertainment. How to charge. Connect the provided USB-C charging cable to the USB-C port on your iPad, then plug the other end into a compatible USB-C power adapter or a powered USB-C port on a computer. A lightning bolt or charging icon will appear on the battery status bar, confirming the device's charging. Charge times will vary based on the power output of your adapter. For the fastest and safest charging, use an Apple-recommended USB-C power adapter. Safety tips. Use compatible chargers. Keep it away from water. Avoid extreme temperatures. Protect the display. Handle the charging port carefully. Keep software updated. You've been watching Gadgeto Lab, where tech meets innovation and imagination never stops. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned. The future of gadgets is just getting started.